A meatball recipe that will please any meat lover out there. Italian meatballs. Let's start cooking. So let's start our Italian meatballs. It's so easy to do. And meron tayong breadcrumbs dito. And I will just pour milk. Yan. Let it absorb all the milk. And 2 eggs. Yan. Beat lang natin. And this will keep our meatballs juicy, no? Let it rest for a few minutes, no? Until the breadcrumbs absorbs all the moisture and magiging parang pasty yung kanyang consistency. On the other hand, we have ground beef. And yung ground beef natin is chilled, no? So pag gumagamit ka ng ground meat, very important na properly chilled siya. Especially kung gusto mong gawing bola-bola or patties. We will add minced garlic, minced onions, Italian seasoning, or whatever herbs you want. So I'm also adding freshly chopped parsley, salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Ito sobrang sarap. Yan. Nag-soak na yung ating eggs and milk. Medyo, yan, parang pasty na siya. We will combine everything. Ang lagkit! Di ba? Nakita mo? Yun ang mangyayari, no? So, I'm heating up my pan and very sticky yung aking meatballs. Look at that, ha? Compared mo, pag hindi chilled yung inyong meat, hindi kayo maka-achieve ng ganito. So, ito siya. Bobolahin natin siya and gagawin ko, medyo malaki yung meatballs na gagawin natin. So, dapat basa yung hand mo para maganda yung pagkabola mo. Hindi didikit sa kamay mo. So, malaking meatballs, no? Sear. Di ba? Ganda ng pagka-shape, no? Bilog na bilog siya. Beautifully seared na yung nauna. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Yan ang gusto natin, no? But you don't have to worry kasi it doesn't have to be cooked through, no? Kasi we will still braise this in tomato sauce. And look at that, no? Sobrang ganda ng ating meat mixture. It stays intact, oh. And yan, look at that. It's browned all over. Put aside muna natin. Very nice beefy aroma. And now, I will saute my onions. Ito, a lot of onions. Garlic. So, the beefy flavor is already in our pan. I will add dry oregano. And now, I will season this with a little bit of patis. What may patis? Italian. Kasi ang Italian cooking uses garum, no? Fermented fish din yun na base. And now, I will add my tomato. So, this is diced tomato. I will season with a little bit of sugar. Hindi natin gustong maging matamis. Konting lanamnam. Just a teaspoon. And a little bit of beef stock. Not too much. Around a cup. Yan. And now, we will put back our meatballs. Everything's there. All the flavors coming together. Seasoned with a little bit of salt. Konti lang salt. So, dito na maluluto yung ating beef, di ba? Yung kanina, sinear natin siya just to seal and to add flavor. But now, it will cook in our marinara sauce and it will keep the meat moist inside. Cover. Simmer for a few minutes, siguro mga 6 to 7 minutes, and it's going to be done. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. And paluto na yung ating meatballs. Look at that. Ang ganda niya. And to finish, ito yung gagawin ko para mas sumarap siya. Lalagyan ko siya ng konting chili flakes. I have some fresh basil and I will teach you how to slice your basil. Arrange your basil leaves. Ganyan. Ito yung classic way of doing your slicing your basil leaves. Arrange it like that. So we will roll it to a cigar. Look at that. We'll roll it to a cigar. And we will chop. So cut. Ito, tawag nito na mga chef, chiffonade. Yan. Finish with freshly cracked black pepper. Yan. Our basil. Yan. To perfume our sauce. And that is done. So you can serve it like that. Lagyan mo ng cheese, melting cheese, put it in the oven for mag-melt on top. Or you can serve it over pasta. Of course, good quality olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and our meatballs. Ayan. Yun talaga. Let's slice the meatball para makita natin yung loob. Maganda ba talaga yung ating mixture? Look at that. No, very nice. Oh, siksik na siksik. Piece of the meatball. The sauce, konting pasta. So you can use whatever pasta you want, ha? Stop. Ito na ating recipe for today. Italian meatballs in marinara sauce. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!